Welcome. In front of me is an HMD 110, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we will navigate into the settings. So just press the center, scroll down, and then to the left. Those are our settings. And confirm that. Next, we're just going to click once up, and this goes to the bottom. We are looking actually for, okay, never mind. We're gonna first navigate to system. So it's the first option, system, and then up. It takes us to about at the very bottom. And from here, you want to select the second option, restore factory settings, and click on that. Full restore data delete. So that's what we're gonna click. Restore factory settings and delete all user data and settings. I'm gonna click on OK. And this might take a moment to finish up. We'll see how long it actually takes. Once it's finished, the device will be fully reset, all the data will be gone, and it will be basically like brand new with nothing on it. Apart from obviously the system. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.